My name's Alexis. I'm 21 years old. I work in the healthcare field. I actually work at the Vein Specialists of the Carolinas, and I'm one of Dr. Drone's assistants. One day during a staff meeting we were having, he did a presentation on pelvic congestion syndrome and May-Thurner syndrome. And the symptoms sounded very specific to mine. It was very more common in older women, people that have had kids, and I'm not older nor have I had kids. So I still brought it up to him one day, and turns out, sure enough, I had May-Thurner syndrome, which was kind of a shock being so young. I had some pelvic pain and pain during and after intercourse, which was kind of a big problem for me given that I just now recently got married. Also, I have pelvic pain when it comes to menstrual cycles and sometimes just day-to-day pelvic pain without any of those things going into effect. So I had a procedure called IVUS. It's when he goes in and he checks in there with the IVUS catheter to see the vein, to see what it's like on the inside. And mine was severely compressed, so the vein was not the size it needed to be. So he placed a stent in my iliac vein to open it up to get the blood flow going the way it should, which helped the pain and the symptoms, and now it's like a 180 for me completely. So after the procedure, the recovery, after all that, I realized a complete difference in my symptoms. Now, since I'm recently married, the intercourse part has gotten a lot better. I don't have any pain during or after anymore. My pelvic pain throughout the day has significantly improved. Working with Dr. Drone, but also being a patient, he changes from being my boss to being my actual doctor. And I couldn't express any more of how great of a doctor he is. He's so hands-on. He wants you to know every aspect of what's being done with you. He doesn't want you to be in the dark about anything. And the staff during the procedures and all my appointments, even though I'm an employee, have been great. They've been attentive. They treat me as a patient, not a staff member. It's been fantastic. I recommend any females out there that are younger or my age that have seen multiple doctors, because I've seen many, about my problems and no answers. I felt like I was going crazy. So if you have any symptoms or any pains, I recommend just come on in. It may be the fix to everything.